Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD Politics on both sides of the Atlantic to weigh on the pound. http ntvforex.com News ID 37361b 5 minutes ago by NTV Forex team. The fallout from the Fed's dovishness pushed cable to new highs before falling back down. US politics are set to enter higher gear after the long weekend, and several indicators are set to rock GBP USD in September's first full week. The fate of the furlough scheme remains in the air, and Forex's analyst Yohai Elam briefs. Key quotes: The government's successful furlough scheme is set to expire in October, and that may take the UK economy off a cliff. Rishi Sunak, Chancellor of the Exchequer, has yet to unveil how it would be wound down or if it is extended. The program pays workers most of their salaries while they are unable to work, keeping them attached to their jobs. NBSPA The transition period expires at year-end, and without a new deal, Britain falls to unfavourable World Trade Organization rules. Investors are expecting no progress until the last moment. That means that any positive comment from negotiators could spark a rally in sterling, while mutual accusations would likely be shrugged off. NBSPA BO officials are set to speak, but after Bailey's recent public appearance, there is little the bank can add at this point. More importantly, the final read of GDP figures for the second quarter could shake sterling. The economy collapsed by 20.4% according to the initial read, worse than most developed economies at that time. While the revised figure tends to confirm the first one, this particular one may be different given the magnitude of the fall. Manufacturing output figures for July are also of interest and are expected to show an ongoing recovery from the depths of the economic paralysis in the spring. NBSPA While markets tend to prefer Republican presidents, a Biden presidency with a GOP-controlled Senate, a scenario that is looking more likely, may result in less fiscal stimulus and may slow the economy. Even worse, the specter of an inconclusive election may also begin gripping markets. In that scenario, the safe haven dollar may rise. Inflation figures come into focus on Friday. The Fed's willful ignorance of price development raises the bar for a meaningful reaction, but a rise of core consumer price index to beyond 2% currently looking unlikely. May boost the dollar. NBSPA While US COVID-19 cases are falling, the mortality rate remains elevated and nears the grim 200,000 deaths milestone. A renewed focus on the disease, especially if the numbers turn upward, could weigh on sentiment. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.